Hi, I'm Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 9. I study in Vishal Shastrinagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am here to add a video for Intelthon in for my family trip. My favorite place to vacation is any place with family and my friends. Here I'll show you few of my family trips which I went with my family and my friends. Here I go here a road trip to Rajasthan. We went all over Rajasthan by road with my chachu, chachi, my grandmother and grandfather. We enjoyed a lot, and of course my cousin sister. The New Year celebrations at Shimla. We went there with our friends. Melbourne with mom and dad. Here I went to the Great Ocean Road and we experienced many things and we were really happy with the atmosphere. We were feeling so fresh. See the excitement. Here I was just 7 years old. We went to Alleppey, a city in Kerala. There we enjoyed a lot. You can see how we enjoyed. Family trips are not just sightseeing or eating. It is the time when you relax, breathe in fresh air and beat your dad in a cycle race. That's what I call a family trip. Fun times. Here I was in Rajasthan. Here I was seeing a match in Dharamshala, which was which was between India and Australia. Here I was in Missouri, and here McLeodganj. This was my family time photo in Melbourne. Then I made a photo frame of it as my memory. The trip continues. I enjoy so much in the trip, so the trip continues. So thank you. That's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye. And of course, see you in the next trip.